Sompa 106.5 FM Accra client service line da so ye adwuma. Eti me pacho bo modiana frey an opani ni wundi nkomo se opese ye advertise your product ne ma ye ton wade no radio no so a obefre 0531886216 0531886216 so fry ye beje so na ye no wadi nkomo. Anopay me pacho bomodin se ebono nwotwe a obeto afa haja special local foods na wakokope aduane edie se wobekọ adwuma se wo fie na bia ne wabrenye de bia na ba ho aposoposo ho saa eto da ma ho treatment bi ye baby girl and baby boy treatment bi kakra wate ase wa ode aduane ma ho na enjoy se bia lunch na se bia no pay on pesa obe stress ho pia na wa free haja special local foods aduane bia opay be package na ye deliver e dia ma 0246 359921 0246 359921 Anasa person ye working so hajia ewo hacho atomic kwan so eben transition funeral home bora ho anopay ne kodidi uwia na wape kasa natural mineral water ne bi na chese wanom eguso na wajegyo na chese nyeme nyina etimi akonkan say program bi na oye na open so dia so ahohoa eye kasa natural mineral water Kasaloma Ventures na akofa edia bataifa back hospital no echi hodoma eho ena mepacho ubehunu wo mo 0206 4694 0206469430 and 0303965780 3 butterfly school new call me pacho enne ye kono abe for kwanso enti upgrade hu announce wo upgrade hu bi bo modern se obepe suku a ye de British NGS curriculum ni nyina ye adwuma eboa ema oba no ni development no etimi ekoso ye pa eno so eye 3 butterfly school eye kama udru honom na hwese the environment ni sifatie enioma nkoda didi agro ma ye honom ama ho na ya kono keke na wo hwese ebia okwakoja oba 3 months wo school bo ho na yemu hyehye no wanye bi da enti ase wodwene ho na school yukura ebehwe me be ye de 3 months kosi 5 years ye je nkoda no for mo bra ye the app bia ba ye friend no EYLOG app enti wo parent ne bia wo bia obetimi monitor oba no se wadidie se wada se wo pupu a ye ne to se ya bo ne diaper ye bibia ekoso wo school mu ho nyina no obetimi ahunu ewo app ne so na wa track enti ehu bia kura enim bra Facebook na behwe school ya ye ka ho asemi enye ize kura eye kama school fees ne so de eda form boko se de wotie bia no obetimi enya wo so ene wo de 8 Popo Street ewo East Legon ebe Melcom eho ena obehunu 3 butterfly school me patcho for 0556 0940 710556094701 na enchemu bi ye wo honom no na ye de amanyumakoyi adaroma ena no pay ye de Ghana Today e de ebro medin e de Adwoa Asare anopay abena bedu adepa kofi Abakay watena se enafe odomankoma chiame Obrempong na kwaku ampomanso atena se anopay abedwafo memamo akwaba
ena akudonto
bibia boko
nyame adom
ade na dom
na wonso
ade achi die na chese ye bedere ade ase enenso akwakoye Tuesday enti abena day ne abena day said
interestingly Joada
Brother well say Tuesday team ne die enti Tuesday team ne die ya na very solid enti yaba Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, team na sete wa ha. Se me de Adwoa e na abena wa ha e na kwaku e na yaw. Yaw no na de yen ko Facebook no.
Enti. Is your mind bell boy.
Enti ya tena say. I hope say the one krata no so issues no eja anope wo me de aboba ne ade a daily guide eda menim hanum sei e wa ha e na mehu say as usual chronicles so abane times wo ho ana de wo hin
Ghanaian times nso wa ha
okay enti aba fa ye hyase
Ebusia ye free ko wakrata na aposo mo boso no ede amamo na memfa GT Ghanaian times de obokrata no omra ne was the most authoritative newspaper kesepa ya wode ebaye mehu maame Jifa Ablagomashi wono ene yeswani ohwe tourism art and culture ministry no eso ewo man wode atodwa page 12 no ena GT for ede abayi wono mu kire mu se maame Jifa Gomashi said ye wonom ede nyema pagu akwan mu no wonom enya emfaso papa bi de free sashe ho enti sika ne bo esom 4.34 billion Ghana cedis ena wo matimi generate every wonom akache na sa 4.34 billion Ghana cedis no womu free emiaye bebre eba sa ahweye no womu sa ne sika be mu ana womu baaye akwansra ene de keka ho no womu free esoro ebaaye no eno no ema womu 1.3 million ena ni nyina ekeka bomu a ena womu nya sa 4.34 billion Ghana cedis ya maame Jifa Ablagomashi edi mu nsam edi ato hayi mihu Ghana ye vice president maame Odenden Obrempong na General Poku Ajeman eno so krata fe to so edu emienu Ghanaian Times obo krata mu da ha wanwenwe wasirisa wasisa me de maame Odenden munim se medu baabia na me ho age baabia ma yese prekese ja na edu no wase aban no ede enema pa egu akwa mu se de beye a ye bebu akonta papa bi ede afa honidie ehun semu enti no se de MMDC is no so wom homu bie na wom na betumi aboa aban akrachefo ene nwurabafo no wom na betumi aboa sanse krosini ni krokuma bia no wom na deda no enti ne yede enema egu akwamu ama wom a yede ahye wonum so mbehwe se ahonidie mapa ebetumi akoso ewo wonum akache na Ghana nyina etimi ayefe munsem Ghanaian Times obokrata yi ede aba ewo halum sei zipline for na de abayo sa adwumakuo nu a womo eboaye ema ye di drone surprise enuro ene yes wo woka asemesi ano benten ewo urban areas bia ekronkoma bia mu a ne se edura ye de be wono ana moja shorte ewa ya asebia bia ye boy ensa no ase pe no mo de ama isa drone yi ne ye de aba no wanu mu kiremu so mo expand wo mo services said ye be ya de ena no deputy health minister Abakay say kame so oba kwa wo so a ente ne wafiri mu ya ye bisa ye ho se CS no Caesarean section no ka ho bia na ya wonom di niema egu akoma hwemu no zipline fo se ni die wo mu bie wo mu akwabe mu enti ne die efa maternal death ho bia ade bia ya kade a wo mu ebehia ya sabia bi behia ya wo mu penintam ade aboa maame a owa awoye no zipline fo se wo mu ni womo eba ababeboa said ye be ya bibia ebetumi akoso eya areho so oba ede nipa eba wiase o yese wokoya awama asefempa enum nsam GT abomu amane krata fe no etoso edu enan ewa hanom esei na empanimfo na wonom echeche mu nse said ye ebe ya wonom a womo eduadua emo ene womo duadua eblo ene de keka ho no womo so ho beto womo nti ye de ne mapapa ugwakwa mu kratai unya bia kratafa to so do nice sada ewa ha na kratafa to so miensa ewa Ghanaian Times obo kratai mi maami we sei mi hu no social media no so maami bi da ha ye kire mu se kwando security court ese won kwada fiase enfinhia parapare emiensa na menti story na se ye GT di aba wo kire mu se sa maami ne din ene Stella Amezome wupiemu ewo Volta fra mantamu a woton ade ewo dwom ene yese ni koliki ono so ton ade wo mu nyina ye dwadifo wawo baby enti no akwada no wo enfin abosome nwotwe 8 months baby ena wode ne ma Stella Amezome ese onso ni mu na ogene niema aba wo baaye a maame ne akwada ni nyina tupi afagyan wahwehwe wadum hwehwe mu July bosome ne da na etoso dunson hwehwe wo mo ewo dwom ho hwehwe wo hu mo na jokoyi posifo asotire na posifo ko hwehwe mu a ade kyenye 18th July no ena wanum ekọ biaye bia ye frɛ ho Toviate ye no ewo kwa mekrom oti emantem ho no mkwache maami se wodi akwara na kwhye ho ya ni akwada wodidi no oda no obone pada na ne wanya ba na kyese wono ankasa no indirectly no wa adapt akwala no na posifo se wo mkwa kire no wo mo abusa no ye dikade no ekọ court 19th July no na court reminder no eye kwando security court na August 30 wo mo sanso ede ne ebai na wonom atoto na no wose ai wagitum akwada ne de ono ananka efa obi nim se bia wonu won bio sedien yo enti court se na ne wonko yefiase mfinhia baako biensa na sa mfinhia miensa no aposifo so enchom kwakofa ni kunu Stella amezome ya wono okofa obi eba enyamra kwanso no ni kunu anase ne mpena na ne nkanchema wode nete na wono so ya betoto na no se wode akwada ne ba afie no wohu ye na die enti kura esansa Stella de o ma bona die enti a okofa akwada na odi akwada ne dwane wonka de kan yansa mageme fom so atum nti e bia ne nkanchema no ya wode nete ne betimi a che die enti a Stella efa akwada no a enamra kwanso eno so wo kratafeto so miensa na asem bi wa hanum sei me hu adwiri mi pa kratafeto so miensa no am ye kirem se maame bi a owo mfinhia aduosia enson 67 na oton aduane ama forcing ni din na ye de ne kwoto afiase ye sentence no 11 years imprisonment na wanum kirem se enuboni bi afarafara ne nsa ho ya wonum di ne kogina eya asem di bia ebo no a wonum di omuso mu hwemu omu ye na kyese maame no edifo na sese ya womuso omasan hwehwemu wo se sa maame ni nifo enti agya no obi a wakwa serve 4 years kora ne akire ye ma 11 years eno wa serve 4 years ni akire enti na afei die abeto dwa ese maame ni ndifo enti ye gya no na sedie womu gya no wonum se omo support no 20,000 Ghana cedis. I'm so it's not enough for Ghana. Emunsam unya kratai bia GT Ghana time double kratai ewa hanom. Enuanu benu emrantie mienu nso a wonom sebi womu kwaji womu nua bema enkwa efiri ni nsam. Ewa Drive Beach Estate ya no wotuba ben weja no. Womu mienu ne gina hayi. Yebusa baako a wonkyere mu say, "Ai ne bra ne sode o say you are useless. We don't see any bia in you." I say ye hu so mfaso bia. Enti de bia say ne bra ne kansem a eya bambuo egu ne so. Enti ma ne di ne trimu dem. Ya koto ahye wonum say womo enkonkotwene mu said ye be ya womo bekoso a ahwehwe womo nsem no. Enti ene Ghanaian time GT de obokrata no. Ne nsem wodi ba ye bi na aposo ena mede asom etifu abameda se na mamemfa wei eye daily guide ento asotew na kwaku emremom na enim ha no wode aba wo say couple drop honeymoon for prison inmates eye awarefuo bi a womo aware enanu weekend yi na womo ye se womo honeymoon womo nko womo di sika no ebekọ akoye ayede ewo Kumasi prisons enti nyame nhyira wo mo papa se wo mo atu na mo bi etesa na wo mo echire mu ese papa yi ye friend no Peter Poli ama wone ne ho kani Mrs Priscilla Poli ama ya wo mo eda Osagefo Poli ama Foundation ano wo mo na ye se de bi eda wo makoma so se de etoda wo kọ eneduafi na hwese de ma ne mema wo mo ebre wo ho no ma ya na ha dwene enti wo mo ye se honeymoon no wo mo de sika ni nyina bekọ akoya aye ewo Central Prisons ho enti wo mo kọ ye Ashanti Regional Minister ko bi ko bo a wo mo ma wo mutimi kọ ye saa emwa na ho nsam anopai kratai afabi ede aba na KNUST ye gawufuo enu wo mani abri Ghana Association of University Administrators wo mo se adwuma a wo mo ye ne emu ala wa ye de ma wo mo no enkoye se allowances social teaching staff any non-teaching staff no a utim se nsonson ye dem enura ye de ho nkomo ebremo ewo ye kase eboso ma youth agefo okura be yi wo ma no se saa ade na wo mo ye no emoa comparison na emoa sense adwuma no obi ye no obi ade eye soronko enti wuntimi nkase sika na allowances a obi je no yemfa enokro no a enso ema we ho asem wo ha na sofo bi a wadi mfihye na duasa mienu 32 years a yesi wo ye sofo ketoa ya na wo di ne dwuma ewo Gate Worship Center enu wo mim ana your friends say mem okay enu no wo mem ewo ahafomantam no emu yesi sofo ketoa hwesu ni ne sofo akobu obi so wo bepa adwuma wa amanone amano 78,000 Ghana cedis no waje wajie free nipa ne nchen enti ya sentence ne se wonko da afiase mfihie du wokon wo ba wonko yi obi fraud biem enti so for 7 ya ojamfi ena sese ya mano 10 years yi
32 enti wo be kwa abale no wadi 42 ekura de se eya rewo de na emom no ense da nya rewo pi se eya rewo so wo kwa koda 10 years enya rewo so wo kwa kobu obi agi ni sika 78,800 Ghana cedis eho asem na krata yi ede aba wo kratafa etoso ensia don't assent cocoa board bill MPP to Mahama eho asem enso wo kratafa etoso ensia ya eno nso onsa so daily guide so a me pacho obetimi akenkan bi na yewura kwa benado nko so wo se wo no to ho asem no wonim hu bi o saa eyi to managing director ye wetwam ya ne ho asem abayi asante beko ya ye kan ye se ya boy akwabna donko former power minister din ewo mu se bribe nonsense no ni hu bi one na lawyer fo wo mo de nkrata abaso wo no kwabra donko na papa no kura no wonim no wo ba bia enya asem ya abayi kura wonim no wonti ni din wonhia ne kura da etimu obi a mekasa asem no emfa ngu ne ho fi eno so ho asem na krata yi afa daily guide okokata fa etoso miensa eno nso ewo mu a obetimi anya bi na wakenkan tikwaku
adwa wonim ne lawyer ne lawyer ye keti hamono
sao
ne lawyer ye keti hamono nti ya beti ya
so eni e wedi amfaye kura yoko forso so wo ma hyase ye nhihwemu ewo mu nti no sesi aye hwe ba bia ebekwa akosi nti anopai daily guide obokrata no nsem no bia wo mo de baaye eno no
se wi ase wasem ma ya
we ka se
do so bia do bara manyosem no na Ghana ha yentimi nye ni yie ntia geti ya mo MPP ni kama don ko NDC ni
wona wo ka asem no
kama don ko Mahama type
yes power minister
no yes wentimi anso dum so anu be resign ampa wentimi resign na Jonjina po ye deputy ya ma se tepe ye acting power minister till the end of the administration NDC ni
wafa ne lawyer ye MPP
what e kire ho anamoko
asemi so NDC apensu na si
omumienu nyina kwotena haji ahokodidi na mo a moti e kire ho no supporters na moti e kire na moko
school boys
and girls no party boys and girls and na party full soldiers na moti ase ho ko bate soro ho na omu e ka mutribom no omu nyina kwotena haji aho obekọ kwansa ayi ayewa baako
no wo mood
na
kasa si ho
na moti e kire ho ko
omu wi omu de omu mako 3 butterflies
mo so mu nka we nka kwa na don ko ya
perfect baby diapers
na ebo
mo hwese kwa na don ko ya NDC ni wo yo obi a sameje mfi nya NDC ni wo nya lawyer ahon fa sameje mfi sene lawyer
ayi ba ku ikura wo de sei lawyer yi na kokko papa yi chumberema so e lawyer
Martin Pebu amaleba
na Martin Pebu oye
so anya lawyer no aso one pipi aso aso kakra
me tin some a work and the fa acheche na me say na papa we pa
o person here na citizen vigilance so no nanka amount for special prosecutor adwuma no man but
no ka say chiro no ara ya o say kasa me pe
no dey na agenda but to dey anya hwe amaleba ye ndisi ni Martin Pebu ye lawyer o ye ndisi ni senka kwamna don ko betimi afọ mu bia akofata yi kwamna tahiri ka keti ya mwazo ka say MPP ni
it's menye adwuma no
ne yonko pa no what the secret keti ya moninim aso agro ho na yire kura nim the secret
sa manyo semi wo hu
Adwoa Chronicles ya yankenkan Exodus 23 verse 7 Exodus 23 verse number 7 na yo say yankenkan na hwese ne yeda ha kode Adwoa de kan brofo yeda nim ya
I'm not a bribe taker
simple
menye bribe
so kwamna don ko makacho say he is one of the most honest politicians in Ghana kwamna don ko wona ma me G say politics ni betimi asese
ayefe
but apart from onono me nyen hu obia biem kana
papa
we
Samuel Atamils
said
say
then why are extraordinary
what na park so no wan hu de course
say And I say Abna Asare so. Abna Asare.
Oh, me patch say ni no credia fan.
Oh, there be a kind of say Abna Asare so the same attitude than Abna.
Oh, issues nearby anyhow. We see the fast so no to say.
Yeah, say no the day ka price MP. OPK. One so the same thing with Parkers.
Oh, so do one now ho.
But me person me chire say me definition of honest politicians.
Say no mu nyina ya amanyofo.
Dabi. Emfa omu nyina emfa omu toto komna donko ho.
Sir.
Aye. Komna donko can say by this time a time limit me to dum so ase. Say mentimi entu dum so ase a me resign. Empa want me resign. That is honesty.
Now
answer for
and what you know nim the hair cost
one inside the body na ko.
Oh, mom dey na mo somebody be amai.
Bribe.
Into ugini
Openly.
Into ugini di.
So what me ka say when to dum so say o be sorry. Na mpa sorry ya megini dis onye bribe. Eno nko anti wa set benchmark na to. Nti eno nko anti me jekwam na don kodi. Wa say asante be ko. Me ya sorry kwaku.
O de kwaku.
$1 million. $1 million. Wasi mu 1 CD 1 peso akora no ebi amane botom e na asante ba ko wo hu ni se ekura wo hu no see asante ba ko kura no na te wo ya on na stream Facebook live senya ni pictures and senya ba wo hu se ti we ni asante ba ko na nkonim no nti bra no wo to ho kura wo hu woni na nhia da wo hu ne da nti mo bia mfa na se me to me gunafa ayi na wa me bra pani ne da hai Gojo Ponkroma. Of one side, the Bimla Silja. So, no, why a incoming finance minister, the next MPP administration.
So,
oh, yeah. I want a shadow finance minister. Oh, the next MPP administration. Ninim down, but Omunya Bankwa, there, finance minister Bakwa, on Benyano, Gojo Ponkroma, Trotu, and a bonny day to tour. Nafahadi. Walk out to them and Penny Mahamas who nim. Now was sign Cocoa Board bill now mark on the Abanwa. One is was signed a death warrant. One day will catch them and Penny Mahama. So when Nim was signed a Cocoa Board bill and one more rush about Parliament, a bayano and a certificate of agency, a bed passing the Gididinoa was signed a pen and a death warrant and was signed. NDC death warrant and a man Penny Mahama walk signed into a year. And no one said more has here. Mamma Jenny Mahasi now. What the Biaba? I said Adam was on common in you. Minister says say
so
no minister ko na na me na machira ha na me hwa de bi eno akoy say revocation na my no still eguso ginam.
Yes.
The case ni eguso ginam. A US conviction and questions Parliament cannot avoid. We are some for adwompo. US conviction ben work ho asemi. Na questions ben na mrase bedwam omuntimi avoid. Say AXA energy nkomo ne ko Parliament yo. Do. Me see and some be pie free. Sa conviction we mu no. Enyansam ketua $1 million no. Nti anhwe ya na ye kwa akọ say mrase bedwam energy economy no. Wamo so ahe no omje ye. Wamo kwaje sa power purchasing agreement wamo kwaje we tu mu a ye kwa fa de ba ye a ye ko tutu ha sa $1 million no. Eno wansem no e wa ha sei. Na said was ye nkan Exodus 23 verse number 7 no. Adwa ya tree no ye mede. Nti me kan brofo na the tree na to aso ma. Say keep far from false charges and do not kill the innocent and righteous, for I will not acquit the wicked. Exodus 23 verse number 7. Adwa tree ne say
Mose homa etoso mienu. Etie duonu miensan yi nson no.
Come me.
O se twe ho fi atosem mu ko akirichiri.
Kwa na don kwa twe ne ho afi atosem mu ko akirichiri.
Na nkum nia onye bone bi ni otre ni
se o ye tre ni nia onye bone wo bribe.
Efi se meri mu obonefo bem.
Obonefo Nyankopon mu ne bem. Nyankopon wo mu bonefo bem. Enti hweye na afa kwa na don kwa nkose bonefo mu na hwe Nyankopon mo wo ni hyem pa hwe wo mu ne bem. Ti kwa na don ko we sa no.
Rade.
We Exodus 23.
Mrs. Papa para mo hwe ne mame.
Ebu ye ya.
Chronicle say the towns why. Aya na quotations ya na ebi mu odo.
Keep far from false charges.
Chi no kura na ya na
do not kill the innocent and righteous, for I will not acquit the wicked. What it?
Ede.
Ofato so no san kan trade bi ma me da. Mani agitwi no. Wase dey.
Chufia atosemu kwa
chiri. Amanofo ani mo krom ha montu mo honfiri atosemu kwa chiri.
Nkum ne wonye boni bi.
Mo wiye ne mankum ni pa wonye boni. Ani otiri ni.
Every say. Miri mu oboni fo. Ya kama ni ma ya muntie. Abusio ma menko peke me call sa na ye ba de aka achiri no ye de beto aso 0260196064 0260196065 0260196064 196065 oba 1 minute 30 seconds na wawie. Hello. Ana samu. Hello.
Hello.
Ejani mo.
What do we got?
Mete on kapa.
Mo wajuma. Yo, ano pe divanza le si akende ni kono ntenso ma na mo bentem. Na mo check the general secretary. Female bi mo tiazi. Na men ko se za chairman. Na bi atoshe usu na wuni. Ono so Saturday yawo. Oda no ma why. Monto mano why? Yamani obetimi abojuma ama Ghana. MPP after the papa so asaka I'm sure they can come with you on the chairmanship no ekuta den na me say ruka adia on so back for treasure on to my and the lemon there's no so back for national organizer den Moses aboy on so Saturday or so or call for youth organizer youth greater accra youth. Yeah, the American Yan said, I cocoa, Samna, or Mokanitum with Chatuaguno. One Chatuaguna, one more at Yabu Furana said, and yet they Abani said, well, the Chaguano, Yabacho, and Yaga. And we got the cocoa, Apuro, and Muchagun with Yabu Furana said, Yamagalam safe for, I'm not checking we and Jackie for Natia for and Tom was it. Don't that woman can almost get here.
Ejeni mo medasipi. Hello.
No. You know.
Mr. Nokrasa.
You know what is it?
Me pa sho nyame adom na nso e.
Me egu social media account no Pendia. Obe akwa.
Yenti wa no pe.
Yo, you know man for akwenye na minchia Dr. Mobafo, for national vice. Eye ya mama Abakay okuma organizer. Na nape. Na chema so social media mo bien ameka mo chief of staff ye bo abaswati deputy ye bo ko deputy organizer to da komi ko de bank mo ko deputy communication na me for akonye so nche to asama ko communication na meta brand forest commission obaba ye ko so abo excellent jogamani mama eni ni penny for abaso otima eni abadaye a o manya de o man Ghana a hye wo man Ghana amma ye free enkomna NPP aban de ko to mu omo yi free mu e bia be si no so na so ponko no so aye bona baso omo ko so asise niema atutu niema yi but I'm say although in just me there should make us an improvement e bia be mu papa because in so any timi sense ngu kokko so any timi sa etimi di mo aduane dia bona baso chief of staff ponko so na mo nyetimade na mo fa so my Ghana obi to aso.
Mr. Nokrasa medasipi. Hello.
The campaign manager, Papa
Collins.
No.
I'm a Liboko.
Yakupanto, Madua, I'm a Liboko. They say, the second deal, then, the GDO NDC branch executive, Muse, on the Shemi Union, then the deputy communication officer, assume NDC, any trouble constituency. They can't that. They found them campaign manager. Never the club of Fiji, so no matter Thomas, Manager the girl, incoming national woman organizer. We have share the classing the message cafe. I will see a book Ghana for a baswo. Ghana for a tour, but it's a fadu, any doctor Baunia. Because say you wanna, it can make a future Kodanga, a future decent that. And that's when you anything. Najwa, ye can be saying, she a dinner is what, and can be out with him to the with taxpayers' money. There's a fund on the gift of my way solely, yet a bunch of Cabaonia,
It can largely offer certification. One may be president, vice president. It can get the fourth Kenya. Yes, Sika over 58 billion dollars. As it comes with Sika Kumara, which means MP for the defending, and I am back. No fucking a master of money. You club the no system of party, no papa. And this, and I have corner there. I get the phone in our bedroom for success. Say, what for you? Get a media, and this is the
Collins Medasi P 0260196064 196065. Hello.
Hello, Madra.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Na me pacho why na abasui?
Where the Abomoleka, the did it and Rashid, which I got Abomol.
Daniel, okay.
Abomole, you, Sompa 106.5.
Yeah, that one see.
Madra, my brother did kind. Me did the Daniel City. Income organizer for trouble constituency. Or no call for deputy communication. We should make call for organizer. I certainly the Shatia who for say do how Mukaye. A woman said, you man, that you are. Yes, so much. My Jama Kanisano, the Chia honorable Lugas, Nicky Kunti, DBL TU, and net DBL, I have to say MTN, everywhere you go, and honorable Lugas, Nicky Kunti, Meduma Panchi. Maybe I'll be Fabia, DBL, a branch of Bibia. When I have said, every CEO behind ye. Then a bear, Ghana, no, you by hands, I will never be seen. Markan is on me. They're parked in 24 days in 24. Sir, Omuma, Omening for air quine shoe because there are 4 a year overcharging the do. Overcharging, no baby, and a Ghana team, I will need here, Bontin, so October. Overcharging is peace. Or call see or call another peace or do another trasu. My German farmer to be my driver for the Omuya of mine should be. After mine, Doma Kuma, so for money.
Danny Medasipi, driver for Nenko money dear. Hello. Hey. Nia which idiot ya menini ana.
Unimi. We didn't catch our fair.
Aha, catch our fair. Ah, o tie urade. Urade adom.
Ida yeso ati. Mami chenya popo. Ya popo tie mi chiano. Mami chia Ghana man penini ayen ya fonya salia o feduya. Ejon money from contribution commission for Papa. About Papa. The dear my Papa. And then here, Mr. Sir. Now, say, four no way they had enough for Kaja. About Papa Muhammad. What is what is so? What is so? And maybe a few Aka 3 days here to January about. Merely if a Pakufa to form, and we are cutting it. If a 2 general lecture about 3 days, what to form Musebio, after the Mafia Jumo, and the Judas Sum, the atom, I didn't choose them and could not class in Assassin, and then about Papa Muhammad was taking your muscle, and maybe a chum, a robot tobacco, men of 2,000. 2,000, about 500, I didn't hear more say, or more 5 kilos, 5,000 Kufa Rosso, now 200 and 1.8, and then about 16 Ghana.
Catch Rahu Fet Medasipi. Hello.
Adwoa Sompa, I won't pay him now.
Eradiadum, Ebe now, Onsway.
I don't mean I should use your memo papating. I should never acquire my children. Okay. And I feel I'm a here. Mamma share me every honorable Prima, Luguna, and Siago. And now, Mr. Osman, our bar chairman, next delegates, Abra, May be no, Mama and Kano, Belbo, MC, non-honorable election of American Kunim. Or let's say of a regional secretary or Greater Accra, Mama Yamwano, and the fellow of a national women's organizer. Or no, national women's organizer office member just for position. Of the point, Mama Man, which men ya Kadia Bia. Let's say we need 2028. Let's say a middle of Mayan Khan. Anthony Brown, forestry, the chair one of the Dr. Gilo Debra, and the boss of what my shipyard, honorable deputy chief executive, Peter. You never about Papa Abba. This is no person of the kind of credit. You can't say Ghana, you precope. Now to say, the kind of 8 years ago, in Ghana is gradually getting there. The body and Sikasem, a Koyi. So what I say, and now for Russia, Ukraine will be so possible. Iran, US, Israeli. That's only this and go to 23 cities. Ever do 19, I might say, every gallon be out to be we 9 cities. You tell when I have a this is what you call good governance. But here, what in your baby, 8 years now, so one person when you're
Eben Medasipi 0260196064 0260196065. Hello. Oh, what about Kwesi Boati Alcas African Tamanto Accra?
I got a room.
Radia Dom now, sway. But what time no mess at you? Obi ahoye.
You but I very that the one can get a grand man of the about what of your question. But they require a delicate. No one look at my FPP out of the great history. You lose so fast, you lose so fast. But you have someone who makes my yes, man. Greater woman of grant or papa, no, we are pushing with this. Echo. Oh, the way to the work. I'll get that for national discount. I don't pay anything as I can in the air to be when you are here. I said, what get a cop. When the tree is hard by woman, or papa, and a bee. Oh, my goodness. I just took a national treasure. And I got a communication director. And I'm not about me. That's it, president. Yo, Papa, I mean, this is about. And about
Orobon Medasipi. Hello. Hey, Samu. Yo, Yedasi. Hello. 0260196064196065. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Obayama, and I am asking you.
And Council Patrol, why not Basui?
The Patrol, the Femina, Amwa, Nana into you. Many of them, Pacho, Biden, and Osaka Sia, or Catane, there's some land on Casaria, Muncata line on. The Boyaka have the Casa, other Casa, our Casan, the Yanaka, our Ayebe, you know, with your name Patao. And then share incoming Natasha, my liver, honorable watch, exactly, we are Kennedy was small. Then share incoming with our woman. I am a made Adwoa Asare, brother of the school. I am chairman and Adwoa Asare. I was in my work at the bar. Remember, this is evidence of Ababa Abba and Tabafi Lady, Aquaba, after the manner. A sense of a band, a memory, and a way what Fred Aquata said the defender were buying. Remember, a bowish Catagana Gana Kuku, we are forced over to go home. Kuku from Ade important some of the street move on by Wayana. About ratio what's over mountain for our economy. I'm gonna make a good family and say because a cost one now. A Papana Panamuti fish apple for me. And next for any for I over 15 months in it. Multi Chomuka. Not before say why 15 months. Multi Common Akoma. I have a Papana Abanini. I'm a Papana by the mobile. Muna mo yɛ galamsey ɛna yɛn nso de yɛn nsa gyina ɛsɛ nti mɛsɛ gana fɔte ɛna yɛn ka mu asɔman baako na galamsey fata yɛn nso de yɛn nsa gyina yɛde aba no nkye ɛnyɛm ɔman gana bɛkɔ yɛde dɛm.
Nana mo akomeda CP wo hu san komo ya da bia mekin waba so wabɛka wo de wokɔ obi nso aba ɛbɛka ne de a na wasan abo awuram yɛsrɛ mo wɔ saa de no ho ei amemfa ba mienu bi nka ho. Hello.
Good morning.
Pacho say Edward. Okay. All right. Yeah. Pacho into you.
For an pay. About Papa. If you are free quashing mine, a cock caswa. Nanga is 60 show. And I drive for the 10 cities. Now the country say about Papa. About Papa, one minister for education, or send out what person for a teacher for 60,000. Everybody say 7,000. A whole night, a man say on your day on Baum, Aban Papa. Aban Papa. Say, Aquel Casafia Momolia, also really can be manager. No Casada and another Ibu judge before the be. Say, Ubi done a libu or said down with 4 million. What could we done a bush at Moody Baba or the same 24-hour market? She could dine Ewa, what could we a done a book, some Moody Baba 24-hour market. Aban Papa, Enwa, Asandia Chimago, or my demonstration of market here, or Abana Abu will say, or the Baba new market. Comicum Engie, a market your own and Ekufadu this year. One people who had any somebody new market. Mexicana move sales, Mexicano. I then move on get before. Many Babu Chin will remember, and I'm sorry, Aban Papa, Abu Fizema Papa.
Edward Medasipi, hello.
Some going down.
Encounter.
What happened to them?
Eradiadum. But your white two kenny. Okay, into you.
I consider to be now. Connection of course, or friend of Bossy, unofficial mayor of Accra town. Because in our tree. It's a Busme being of Baban, Diana, Nazi. That's it. Adam, I'm a pay. I will hope you know Sebumu. I offer Mancasama contact. Ula Katie Hamon. MPP for work to me with different NBC. Abani or be honest, MPP for share well condition of the 2 Ula Katie Hamon. I catch her in the day. I Dr. Mahmoud that will be in the presidency or agency. Quite beyond the one person who need fancy candidate Japan. What's for it? A year campaign, it's here, the candidate Japan, Lucy. My woman, Dr. Mahmoud that will be able to be president. Not NBC first work to corruption. I say, oh, Mama, now Benin. Oh, Maninja. When we see come America for now to I'm more like that. Ministers, our Ghana, Mama, now Benin, where we are Kennedy. But we are getting him on our contact. Tahiri Kwabrahamon. I wouldn't look at different and a lawyer man. Now, you there, a lawyer, as some the one in the feed about Quetzio, and Robert, thank you, credibility.
Y2K Medasime family last caller. Hello.
Hello.
Akafia.
Mo ele kwa fan la sali akanye. Yerika mamintia mo. Na mintia sompa my phone na ho. Na me fa konya kasientia onabo mo atenya akon. Na me bi Dr. Eli Mega. Na mintia sikodi Obrempong. Na wo mi usia God ya salmedi akon. Ajaruka ena Mosisabo. Adwoa Pepato Mana I want to know America and Oyandi Finiana.
O say
Oyandi Finiana.
Ane.
Best of my Nina and what you see currently no minister or yes along. Oh, the country can afford that. And this is chrono box. Now, Maya or the lawyer, if you are in a medicine way out. We are energy minister. That I know. Now, Obi also Paul, managing director, also Nimuno. And no, come on, you say, also win Nimuno. Now I'm saying, yes, I am go to down. Yeah, Papa, America, or would minister, minister, this account, and Obedi. Yes, I'm not saying. Coco, the other one can. Nepacho, Coco, a man the winning now chap for 5 immediately. Nepacho, Coco, a man is your money. And I want to about 4 that year. Minami Coco, like Coco in Koye, Mamuba Coco, no more of Coco in Koye. That is an not yet a bear, what's in Chua over today. So anybody can cut us. And then upon come and say, Sabani him. So for this, I'm going to my end. I saw more composition than that because on so be 1 year. So 1 year and 4 years, 4 years, you are your baby, or quite what betting. And can you want to walk cat assembly? So who you have got, then you have a man can you up here? What to be that? I don't know about for granny. I people do a room to
Me pacho ebrena so ntimi emfa call bia bium aha ena yedu ABC na nyame ya adoma wochina de aka atwe ne nyina no ye de beto aso amamo kama birthdays bi wo ho nti no yesre mo moma yenyi mfiri kwam kwaku se wo bi wo ho okay ye wo de no ewie na mento aso
ma memfa we into hato happy birthday and confirm a very good friend of mine a doctor a friend of Dr. Peter Kwabenapia CEO at the American House Community Hospital ewo Kaswa. Happy birthday doc. Nyame nshira na onte na nimu nshira wate na minim se yakasa yache but definitely mesori e be kasa. Happy birthday enko enfama. Sanso na a friend and a brother. Na menene nyina ye adwuma ewo efida demo. The friend of Moses Obin, the donor friend of DJ Bayo, and then DJ Bayo birthday. Bayo Nation, happy birthday ati Nyankopon show na onte na nimu show. Onya okese na ompija wo insi baby a eho ekron pa. Afei we every DCS Benedicta Edu. O say yemfa happy birthday enko enfama Lance Corporal Tando. Lance Corporal Tando and that's no happy birthday. Nyankopon ono mo na wo nshira. We say God bless you and always show happy blessed birthday. Nyankopon onye wo kese pa. Na ada ye call Kaneshi no. Ye call Kaneshi ya kese mu ho no. E de obi bas ne koma amanfo no. Ye ma menom ni bia ye ne wo mo konya ayonkofa e wo ho na ye ba ko birthday. In fact me ye nu birthday. Na anti amankwa wo Kaneshi ya kese mu ho anti happy birthday wate Nyankopon hira na onte na nim kireo we efri mamiama wa oba mamiama wo se o ma happy birthday pa Nyankopon wo hira na wonte na nim emfa enkireo na antifosia nso ene ye ne birthday ono nso ka na esi ho no a ya kasim ho ene ono nso ewo anti Nyankopon hira na wonte na nim nkireo wonya wo kase na wo ma nkwatenten ne yedie ene nhira ene sika bebre ewo mu no we so mamiama say yemfa mawo na nhira bia ewo ne dem no wadoma nkoma wonfa ne nyina ema kama
wawi okay birthday ba konso wa ha Philomena ba ene ye na woda or College of Nursing and Midwifery Tanoso ene ye na woda Philomena ba ya wo College of Nursing and Midwifery e wo Tanoso if you ohene enchen enafe Owura Kwachi of Kesben FM Kumasi ena ose yemfa birthday emfa mawo enti nyame enhia opa na afei akosu eje wa akode boaten so ka ho bi wom se yenche ose nyame enhia no nya okese onyumfra adumu enkwa adumu na onti nanim emfancho happy birthday ena safon so edi biaba wose ene eye mazi inshira edunya akon pokuya bedi akon birthday na school no na ye bedi akon okay mazi inshira edunya akon pokuya ya uko school ewo bedi akon Memorial International School o nursery 1 ewa Asante Bekwai efri Jacob opoku ba ena wose yemfa awoda sunkun emaw baby girl nyame enhira pa na oma wunyini ewo adom ene nyansamu de edi ho bie mu no nso Priscilla Owusu ene na woda Priscilla Owusu ayom so efri brother Asare ho ena wose yemfa ma o ayom so I hope say din no sa na me mabono no brothers Asare say yen kan cho say o ma happy birthday nyame insha papa na onto won kwanne mu safo lady na woda last ne de wan fa ne din na ma o enti no anai the same person enti emi say birthdays na mawie aba okay
enti no we no so awoda die a glorious birthday goes to Frempoma akwada yi wodi na woda de bretu de baaye no bretu so de asende wo enti no Frempoma edi na woda yes on that Facebook no so nti a glorious birthday to you nyankopon hirawo na wanyo kese oma wonyini mfa nunyam nkwa nunyam Frempoma we efri o maame Sharifa woso odododo wane papa nyinada na eka bom ama happy birthday akwada nyini ebeye panipa nyini beye vice president wate nyame inshallah bebre
okay kwaku ye be ko but unim se na yakosu ya birthday
akwasha je wa akwade
me pa try
akwasha picture ho
say akwasha sa wa de ne kra wa kan ntem
okodi
editor ma ya de ni ye no wo
na editor ya start wo
say
yankotwe bi
by this time say ye meet ntwe picture na enfama ye friend say
akwasha je wa akodi
enti akosua ye ma happy birthday we special birthday
kanina
enti news team no any
Sompa staff
from editor so o special darling
and the special darling din birthday one na da ho ye dey
editor one na da boss 8 na boy yeah update
special darling on top
you right 8 hours in here ba ko kra mai
I know dem pabwa so atu
enti akosua ye ma happy birthday why ye do nyame enhira pa ya dedicate nesi paso oba nso a mane mansu wate ase ma ha nye de na bibia ntimi konkan nyame enhira pa ya wiyo
foto so mame foto
say
no
yeah Christmas ni we ya you money address I promise you okay you see ya time
ya wife no
papa so say the ni na your birthday
mama you for 30 seconds plenty asem infri hotel why na yenhwe nia ifri hebe say maka say Ghana Prison Service mijina o mabobo ano ai busumi na mesenka menye immigration for na adwuma na ansa me wura Ghana Prison Service me na me busa asem bi wo adwa so be kaem say na last week no me be busa asem bi wo Ghana Prison Service Director General Patience Bafuboni Mrs. Director General Ghana Prison Service na me busa na say one more service transfer na consequence be the my officers no because and the service na na transfer o mo no say we buy we twam ana adwama se mbusa na so watemase say me request say me pe transfer there ya na yɛni transfer grant bi ade mo bia ɛde ma me ne mom sɛ service na transfer me a ɛwɔ sɛ service ne ma me transfer grant ɛna me de akɔ unim sɛ efi bɛsa afi ɛne na chi kakra bi nie no yɛ transfer officer from ɛno yɛ service transfer no a yɛmfa grant bi mo bia yɛnka hwe nso nkyerɛw nti service na transfer o won kran ha ye yiwo de o ko ebia amanfrom ana se ebia nsawam ana ebia ankafo ana se ebia any other place a service na transfer o de wakɔ no a e wo say ye ma transfer grant ana se bibisa no service ni ntua
omuntua
ai
sese
ebro afinie
omuntua grant
transfer grant na wo service no de mawo say ye yi wa free Adwoa kwa bi anya hwe no nim ho unim say na ho situation tie ji we na ukodu wa de no atototo ne ma bi nkaka
omo wo bi saa wo
wo ho
okay
na wo mo de ma nanso me busa ma me patients ba football ne so ba ye wa betwamu ana because I don't want to mention that time ni ho I don't want to mention names of officers under the watch or buy ya transfer by your service transfer and yet transfer request to near service na kasa transfer oma besi ne ebi de brafe yentua ma oma up to date one more ho wa na obi am mo ho wa enka ntwem se bia we ana we nti ne fa transfer grant ne ma mo
okay
yes re officers no yenim so omo tibia no dabre mu nye na sa wo transfer no na ketua bia so de man no de ahwe ne how far no so won fa ma ne de a ene ma ne ntra ba bi otie
okay yeda CP abusua ha ena yedi u AC odomankoma chiame Obrempong na kwaku ampoma ena wote ne nka no saranso na abena depa abena bedu adepa kofi Abakay so eba ya na chese waje ne pink and black ya enya sem ketwa ne